I'm back with a new video. Now, I have ordered from Temu. Now, I know I've been telling you girls all about Temu and some of the outfits that I've been getting lately from Temu. So I decided to order like a whole bunch of stuff and kind of show you what I got. So I want to show you guys what I ordered and versus what I got. So I did order about $300 worth of clothing, shoes, and I did get accessories, but we're gonna just hold the accessories off for now. We're just gonna talk about the clothing. So this is the big old bag. I opened it already because I was so curious. I didn't even open to see what I got because I wanted to open it up with you guys. So this is the big old Temu bag, and guys, this is $300 worth of stuff. So I'm gonna show you what I ordered versus what I got, and even if it's even worth ordering from Temu and getting your things off of there. Now, it did take about 5 to 6 days to come, which wasn't a problem. That's pretty fast. I ordered what I thought looked cute, or that I thought would look cute on me. So of course, everything is summer finds. I do have a thing or two that might be something that I can wear year round, but I completely forgot what I ordered. So I can't even tell you what's inside this bag, but let's get started. So if you are new here, hey girl, I want you to subscribe, hit that notification bell, so every time Karen posts a video, it will let you know, and you can go on down there and check it out, sis. All right. First, let's talk about my outfit. My outfit is something that I thrifted. I thrifted this from 2nd Avenue, and of course, it was 50% off, so it was like $14. So I only paid $7 for this beautiful dress. I paired it with my dunks. I had a white purse. I actually wore this to my granddaughter's dance recital. It was a hit. Everybody was coming over telling me how much they loved the dress. And they never would thought in a million years that I thrifted this for $7. Like, okay. First, let's start with this. Each packaging came like this with the Temu label on it, and we're gonna open up our first item. I'm so excited because I forgot what I ordered, y'all. So let's go with item number 1. Item number 1 are these jeans. All right, I ordered these jeans. They're wide leg. It has a little distress on the front, but with this one, I'm going to take the scissors and I'm going to open this all the way because I've seen some other designer jeans that I kind of like that, and it's no way I'm going to pay that price. So I ordered these from Temu to kind of give me, and I'll pop up some inspiration pictures to kind of show you what my idea was with ordering these pants. But these are the pants. I got them in a size large, and it says fashion jeans on the back, but I'm gonna be ripping all this stuff out. And yeah, I mean, so far so good, like super cute. I have no problems, but I ordered these because I wanted to do my own little thing and my own little twist on these jeans. So I will be showing you guys how these jeans turned out, you know, when I pop that little picture up on screen. By then, I will have styled these, did them exactly how I wanted to do, and yes. So far so good. So secondly, we have, it's a wrap dress. I really don't know how it goes. The material feels kind of lightweight, perfect for summer. It doesn't have a lining in and everything. I feel like this would be really cute for a vacation look. But loved like how the picture looked. This next one is a denim halter top. You know, denim is everything this summer. So I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna order me some denim. And also, I don't know, I mean, the denim doesn't have to actually go together, but it's just a plain halter, stretchy halter top, super cute. I'm really into halter tops like this summer. Easy to put on. You can throw on jeans, dress pants, skirt, shorts. Endless possibilities with this. We have just a simple maxi type of dress, like a t-shirt dress. Tank dresses and t-shirt dresses are all the things this summer. Like everything is like effortlessly chic, effortless style. Like we're just looking good, going to the market, running errands, lounging around. We're looking good all the time. That's what 2024 is about. We're not looking raggedy. You purchase this, I would say size up. So this next piece is a black and white piece. It's a one-piece jumper. You know how I love jumpers. So let me get up and show you this. Super cute. It's kind of the same lightweight material, perfect for summer. And I even feel like you can even drag this into fall with a coat, like a black coat, a pop of color coat. Easy. I got this in an extra large as well, because like I said, I like to oversize my things when it's like lengthy, because I'm a tall girl, so I like to buy it a bit. I like to size up so it can like hit the floor and be lengthy, because sometimes. So next I just bought this two-piece, a very cute, very cute. I love it. It could be styled so many ways, and I could just see some sneaks on with this, even some flats. Lounge around. This could be for vacation, for just, you know, lounging. You could pick this up. You could go to the grocery store. You could run errands. Like, that's what I'm shopping for. I'm shopping for outfits that's just effortlessly chic but comfortable. That's what we're going for this summer. And we're running errands. We're going to the thrift store. I'm working. I'm doing things with my granddaughter because she wants to spend the summer with me. And she wants to do really fun things. We're going to the aquarium. We're taking some trips. We're going to museums. So grandma just wants to be hella comfortable, okay? Right. So next, like, it's like a bag, and then it's a bag. Like, stressful. So this is just a black and white tank. I can see me on the roof lounging with my book, going over content ideas and stuff like that, just chilling with this on. I don't see me doing anything much with that. I don't. And next, super cute. Oh my God, look at this. This is super cute. This would go so cute over like a bathing suit when you're on vacation. Yes, and you can even put like a white tank spandex dress underneath, and this could definitely be a vibe. Super cute. And I know I got this in a large, I'm pretty sure. Yep, I got it in a large. So I do like that. That's super cute. And I like that it's white, because it can go with anything. But I see me wearing that with a tank underneath, a white tank. Super cute. And again, another white piece. This is just a white maxi. This is a medium. I love this. It's just so comfy. Like, we're going for classic and comfortable. And I could just see me wearing this with just flats, and that's it. Like jumping in the car, doing something simple. Like, this material, I'm gonna tell you right now, this material feels super thick. It seems like it's gonna be durable. It's something that maybe you can find at like Forever 21, like their basics. I did go for basic classic pieces so I could like dress it up, because I think my style is about, it's very classic but edgy. Or I just add a little edge in it to sometimes, but I like to keep it very classy, very girly, and age appropriate. So I think, yeah, this is almost to the last piece, and it is just gonna be another lounge tank that I got. And this is in gray this time, but this one has cute little pockets and it's loose, and I can wear this. It's forgiving to the tummy. It doesn't really show anything, and I could just throw on some flats, flip-flops, sneakers, run around, and that. Like I told you, I was going for simple and classic and comfortable with these finds, and I feel like I didn't want to buy anything fancy or anything that when it came I was going to be disappointed. So so far so good. So the next item that I have is going to be this green and white sundress. I really love the colors. I love that it was green and white, and it's sort of like that Walmart dress that I just tried on, that was white, and I think this is super cute. I got this in a size, let me see, I believe it's an extra large, because usually with maxis and stuff like that, I do like to order extra large. So I'm pretty sure I ordered an extra large. Yep, extra large. And it also comes with the belt that fell on the floor. The next two pieces that I have are these two orange tank dresses. I'm trying to get in the color. This is nothing special. It's just a ribbed tank top. It comes around the neck. Nothing fancy about it, just something simple that I can literally just throw on. And this is the same with this. This is a kind of little sexy little tank top dress, and it's a little ruching in the back, and it like accentuates your booty to make it look like it's sitting up. So I feel like that's something I could use. So I got it, and I just got this beautiful orange color. It's pretty around, pretty on my skin, and both of these pieces were like $5, $6 a piece. So super cute. When I say super cute, super cute. Now I've seen some other shoes that still are coming that I ordered, and they're so super cute. But these are just some green faux snake print pumps. You know I'm a pump girl. If you watch my channel, you know I'm a pump girl. I love me some pumps. But I don't have this color, and this is super cute with this little clear heel, and that was cute. So that's basically it that I got. All right, I will see you guys on the next video, and thanks for watching.